Hey guys, I'm so excited today because of this Agarwood or lapnisan. We call this in Philippines lapnisan. So look at this one. Alright, so you can see the lapnisan or Agarwood, and maybe some of those children, maybe they were playing with this agarwood. See, look at that one. They took some skin of this agarwood. So let's try to save this one. And remember, my friends, selling agarwood or lapnisan is illegal. Remember that one, huh? In the Philippines, lapnisan or agar is found only in the heart of the thickest jungles of Mindanao, of course. So I'm excited. Are you excited also to see this one and also those other agarwood or lapnisan here in actually Bukidnon? So foreigners travel to Philippines and hike, of course, to remote villages seeking help to find the rare tree. So if you want or if you're interested, just contact us. We'll guide you. See, look at that one. It's lapnisan over there. Size is I cannot measure this one. I forgot my tape measure. Why lapnisan is so important, and is it expensive? Let's check, my friends. Alright, so some woods are, of course, incredible or expensive, and of course this agar wood has been known, of course, remember this one, the wood of the gods, they said. First grade agar wood can cost as much as 100,000 per kilogram. That's dollar, but that's the first class, okay, making it one of the most expensive raw materials in the world. Remember that one. But for trees, see, look at that one. You can see that one. So now I hope that you'll enjoy watching this. We have two, I think this, yeah, there are fruits up there, but we cannot reach them.
My friends, I will take these two fruits here. Then we'll open. If the seeds are really the same with those seeds we can see, of course, in Google. So we'll check later. So remember, but of this tree, to produce any agar wood, it must first become infected with mold. That's what they do, or what they did with this agar tree. So my friends, this is really interesting wood. This oily substance or resin from infected agar wood is worth more than its weight in gold. Imagine that one. Perfumers and incense makers are willing to pay millions of dollars. Imagine that one, just to buy if you have this agar. See, look at that one. Actually, this agar here, you can see it's now, see, look at that one. Maybe 15 kilos or more than that one, more, including those branches. But I think we'll see. Maybe after 5 years, I don't know. I'm not expert of this agarwood or lapnisan. So this is real, you can see, and then many other trees or agar lapnisan close to this agar or lapnisan here that I'm now focusing on, especially the fruits of this lapnisan. Okay, so depending on the quality again of the raw materials. Agarwood emits a different scents. Imagine that one. It has notes of soft florals. Imagine. But what makes its woody scent so unique are the accent of musks, vanilla, and fruit, bright fruits. See, look at that one. So similar, right? Try to check internet. Then you can see same picture. Okay, so I think this is now Agarwood or Lapnisan. Okay, you can just comment below if this is Lapnisan or Agarwood. Just comment below. We can guide you and then just to observe, because again this is illegal to harvest or to cut this kind of tree. So again, we have Lapnisan and Agarwood here in Bukidnon. So we are enjoying now with this. We thought it's simple or cheap tree, not knowing that this is really expensive. So we are trying now to look for this kind of tree. And for sure, look at that one. Look at that. So that's what? That's real agar or Lapnisan tree. Okay, Aquilaria. That's the scientific name for this agar or Lapnisan tree. And Agarwood. So there is a gold rush happening in the jungles of the Philippines, of course. You can see now, this is Philippines. And Bukidnon, of course, is part of Philippines. And then you can see those plants still growing, still young. And then the treasure is one of the rarest trees in the world. And that is Lapnisan or Agarwood. And they said it is also the world's most expensive tree. A kilo of Agarwood fetches as much as 750,000 pesos. That's what they said, okay? Then a whole tree is worth tens of millions of pesos. Which is why many people would kill for a piece of this rare tree. But here, you can see, we are just watching and then telling people not to cut this one.
Thank you, my friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for you to be updated of my next videos. Bye!